PSP foam sheet is a new type packing material with the features of shockproof, sound insulation, heat preservation, damp-proof. It is used widely in the packing of food, fruit, electronic product, commodity, daily necessities, hardware product, advertisement board, etc. The machine applies to raw materials of polystyrene foam, does not apply to other plastic foam materials. Under the hopper, connecting a cooling water jacket at the screw tube. The function of the cooling water jacket is cooling the temperature of feed oven, making the material not melt at once during enter the screw tube to make sure feed oven passage clear. It needs to be kept at certain temperature in this position, approx 100°C. The inlet water valve of cooling water jacket can't open too big. If not, the temperature will too low in this position. The screw tube will rub the screw and cause noise. New machine cause this on is normal phenomenon. After running in some time, this phenomenon will disappear automatically. In winter, release the water in the water tube before stop the machine. Otherwise, stop machine for longer time, water tube will be frozen.